The charging video. I'm arriving at the EA at 5% battery. It just gave me a pop-up notification to select the charger, but that disappeared. I'm going to back in here and get charging. Hopefully I can get this going relatively quickly within the video recording limit. Later, cancel. Let's keep this on. We'll go to the charging assistant. I believe this is the one that I'm at. Connectors. And I believe I'm on 1. We'll go ahead and plug in. Looks like things are getting moving. All right, we're charging. Next, I want to see how long it's going to take to get up to peak charging. Already at 250 kilowatts. $275 and climbing. I've already gained 2% of battery. Looks like we're at 285, 286. Things might need to get warmed up before it gives me